this Monday afternoon. One of my favorite singers of all time. It's Neil Moore from East Orange, New Jersey.
You are the dream that came to life, an answer prayer that I said each night. You are the heart of me, the very life of me. You're everything to me that I love could ever be. You are my everything, my everything. You're everything to me that I love could ever be. Where you are is where I want to be. Close to you, all eternity. You're the summer sun, all the winter day. You're the starry night of a moonlight day. You are the heart of me, the very life of me. You're everything to me that I love could ever be. You are the heart of me, the very life of me. You're everything to me that I love could ever
You're the heart of me, baby. On this Monday afternoon. Miss Neil Moore from East Orange, New Jersey. Oh, New Jersey's in the house out here. Oh, have a good afternoon, everybody. Enjoy this Monday afternoon in Pennsylvania.